What is the DUI process in Connecticut? Attorney Donald Beebe explains that. You get arrested for DUI, and usually you appear in court within the next 2 weeks, unless you are being held without bond. Then you would appear in court the next day. Once your case goes to court, it will depend on whether you are a first offender or what level of offense you have. Generally, for a first offender, the person should have a lawyer who reviews the police report to see if there is any way to defend against the DUI charge. It is important because there are times when you can't. If you do, then the entire matter is thrown out and can be sometimes in negotiations without a trial. At the first court appearance, little is done except getting the police report, reviewing it with the client thereafter, and coming back for the next appearance. At that time, if the person is eligible for the alcohol education program, they will apply. In Connecticut, there is a $200 application fee. The person applies, the judge accepts the application, and the person meets with the bail commissioner. A background check is made to see whether the person in fact has ever been convicted of driving under the influence or has used the alcohol education program in the last 10 years, and the person is evaluated by the alcohol evaluation group to see whether the person should be required to do 10 classes on alcohol education, 15 classes, or, in very rare circumstances, actually have residential inpatient alcohol treatment. It usually takes 6 to 8 weeks for the evaluation and the record check to be done, not because it takes 6 to 8 weeks to do it, but because the agencies are backlogged to a degree. When a person comes back to court, if the program is granted, the case is continued for a year, and the person does the classes, then waits for the year to end. If the person does not get arrested for another DUI charge in that year, then at the end of the year, the charges are dismissed. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Donald Beebe in Norwich, Connecticut at 860-889-5266 or visit his website at www.beebeandoneil.com.